Okay, YouTube, it's been a while since I made any progress reports on a car. So this is it. It's kind of semi-disassembled or assembled state, depending on how you want to call it. A whole bunch of interior body panels on the dash, on the front. Some of the interior stuff's already mounted, already made. Actually, they're all already made. It's just has to be hung and fitted properly and stuff like that. So that's that. And the main update for this part 2 season or part 2 session is the engine and the transmission. I had the training for a while, but the transmission or the engine is a new thing. So yeah, it's a LS3 out of Camaro, Gen 5 Camaro from it's L99. So I'm not too sure if I'm going to stay with this training or I may go with the Tiptronic yet. Kind of like the manual, but probably would have to get it upgraded anyway. I don't think that one's going to hold it up too much. So anyway, it's a very tight fit. Calculations kind of worked out. The original exhaust manifold. This one's moved a little bit over, but it's very close tolerances. The draft shaft's going to be a little bit skewed. It's going to go from here to there. So it's like 4-degree angle. It's kind of acceptable, but what I'm most likely going to do is move the engine forward because there's about 5 inches of clearance from the pulleys. But I'm not too sure how to do or the clearance on that. It's going to be it. It's probably going to be okay, but it's going to get routed to the inside or to the outside. And this is kind of a mock-up of a radiator. There's going to be 2 on both sides. I already got the rods. I just don't want to have them damaged, so hence the cardboard. And there are going to be quarter panels from the back. They are going to be like this because they're out of the Civic, so it's going to be kind of like this. It's going to be trimmed. It's going to be sitting here. And the rod's going to sit in there. And that's that. So, quarter panels, doors, and my 240 with LS1 in it too. That's it. That's the update. Let me know what you think.